Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a song using the note feature on Instagram. So first, all you need to do is just open your Instagram app, as you can see on your screen. So tap that messenger icon at the top right corner to find that notes. So here, as you can see, I don't have that notes right now. If I want to add that one, just tap that plus icon at the notes so you can start using that feature. Now you will notice on my screen that I don't have that feature yet with a music logo at the bottom of this profile picture. But if you want to update your app on Play Store and then you'll find that you are one of the users having that feature, you'll find a music logo like this. So check your phone if you're having that feature. You just tap this music logo right here and then you will see this page on your screen. So like this. And then you can now find the music that you want to post. Then it will show up on your note. So that's how you basically share a song using the note feature on Instagram. That's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.